speech is not 100% correct, obviously. We still haven't gone through a bunch of chapters of grammar and morphology, but they are able to convey what they want to say in Arabic. And then they are able to, if they don't understand something is being taught to them, they are able to ask in Arabic, what does this mean? This is the first thing that we extract from this, from the qawl of Ibn Khaldun. The second thing is, he says that the expression is a linguistic action, right? That comes from al-lisan, linguistic action. In Arabic, he says, nashi', that it comes out of al-lisan. And therefore, it must be a firmly rooted faculty in the organ that performs it. And this is a myth breaking for all of those, most of the time, students of knowledge, lil asaf, sadly, that because of either insecurity that they are not able to speak correctly themselves, or because they just not inclined towards wanting to put effort into increasing their capability in speaking, they tend to spread this myth of, oh, you don't need to speak the language. You just need to understand, because we are trying to learn the Arabic language to understand the Quran and to understand the Sunnah. Therefore, I don't need to be able to speak it. I just need to be able to understand when I'm reading. And this is from amongst the biggest nonsensical things that you can say. Because even Allah Azza wa Jalla says in the Quran about the Arabic language, lisanun Arabi. So the reason why we call lisan, as in tongue, that's the default meaning of lisan Arabi, and even language. If you go back to the root in the Latin and where it comes from lingua, which means tongue. And so, as Ibn Khaldun, he says, language is something that is a trait in your tongue. It's something that comes out of your tongue. So it needs to be a firmly rooted trait in your tongue. You need to be able to speak it before anything. Likewise, the Arabic language, before